Do you know you can use your Tiger generator to charge your 3.5 kVA or even your 10 kVA inverter? Yes, I know you are surprised. Is that even possible? Now, I've had a lot of people calling me or reaching out to me in the DM asking me whether it's possible for them to use their generator to, charge their inverter battery. And most of the time I tell them no, because after telling me the size of their generator, it's mostly not up to the size of the inverter. But thank God to Chinese inverter and thank God to most solar hybrid inverter or hybrid inverter that I've just came up with this option. So I just discovered this and decided to do video about it. If you are in that position where you don't have access to grid and you have limited solar panels and you have generator that is not up to the size of your inverter, then this video is for you. Though this video is not for everybody that uses inverter, because if you use a transformer inverter or Indian inverter, because most Indian inverters doesn't have this option, so this video is not for you. But if you use solar hybrid or hybrid inverter or Chinese inverter or Germany or Japan, I think they have some of these options. You can now use your Tiger generator to charge your 3.5 kVA, your 5 kVA, or even your 10 kVA inverter batteries. Now, let me take you to my inverter and show you how to do this, whether an end user or an installer. Let's check this out. So this is my 3 kilowatt inverter from Hostrom, 24 volt. For example, if I want to use a Tiger generator or generator that is like 1000 or 800 watts to charge this to charge my inverter batteries with this very inverter, all I have to do is to go to my setting and go to alternating charging current. When I go to alternating charging current, I'll now reduce the amount of current that my inverter will supply to the battery. By doing that, the power consumption from the generator will reduce. Now, every hybrid inverter or solar hybrid inverter have that option, except maybe yours, the manufacturer forgets to do that. Now, let's go to the setting. You can see this is the setting, escape. I'll go down. So look for alternating charging current in your own inverter. Every solar hybrid inverter or hybrid inverter have that. When you have the manual, look for alternating charging current. You can actually reduce the alternating charging current to the amount of current you want it supplied to your battery. Okay, you can see it ACC, that's alternating charging current. In your own inverter, it might be option 10, it might be option 20, depending on what number the manufacturer put the option. Now, my own option, which is Hostrom inverter, is on option 10, right? Okay, I've gone back, so let's go again. Option 10. So you see, alternating charging current is 60 amps. So if I multiply 60 by 24, it's possible my small generator cannot carry it. Though I don't have generator here. I depend solemnly on solar panels, and I don't have grid here, so I don't really need this. I'm doing this for video purposes. Now I'll press enter. I'll touch enter again because this inverter is soft touch. You can see the 60 is blinking, telling me that I can change it to any option I want. I'll now decide to reduce it or increase it. You can see it. I've reduced it to 40, 30, 20, and I think 10 is the minimum. Okay, you can even decide to say, okay, I don't want my inverter to charge with generator or with the grid, which is NEPA light. You can now decide to turn everything to 00. So you can see it's now on 10. It means the amount of current that my inverter will be giving to my battery will be 10 amps. And with this, my small generator can power it without stress. So if you have this type of inverter, you can easily change your setting to the amount of current you want passed to your batteries. But the only disadvantage of this is that your battery might not charge as fast as you want.